Assalamu alaikum. To become a Muslim, Quran is sufficient or not?
Assalamu alaikum, Tibtu Mubarak Tayyiba. My dear brothers and sisters, in order to answer the question, the respective question, is the Quran sufficient to be a Muslim? Undoubtedly, the Quran, the noble Quran, the glorious Quran, is very good enough and sufficient to be a Muslim, because Allah has mentioned this issue in Surah Al-Ankabut, Surah number 29, verse number 51. Allah has said like this: أَوَلَمْ يَكْفِهِمْ أَنَّا أَنزَلْنَا عَلَيْكَ الْكِتَابَ يُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ الرَّحْمَةَ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَرَحْمَةً وَذِكْرَى لِقَوْمٍ يُؤْمِنُونَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has declared in this verse, أَوَلَمْ يَكْفِهِمْ أَنَّا أَنزَلْنَا عَلَيْكَ الْكِتَابَ. O Prophet, Allah has said to Salaam Allah Muhammad, and is it not sufficient for them? Is it not very good enough for them that I myself have revealed to you the book? That means the book which is full of law, that is Al-Quran, who is being recited to themselves. And undoubtedly, in that is a mercy and blessing and a constitution and reminder for those people who believe, but who have believed, who are believing and they will believe after that. So, my dear brothers and sisters, for being a Muslim or to be a Muslim, you will have to follow the Quran one and only. And the Quran is very good enough. Quran is completely sufficient for being a Muslim to follow the Quran only. If you follow other book, other source, rather than the Quran, but beside the Quran, then that will make you mushrik, polytheist, because you are associating different sources, different partners, rivals with Allah Almighty. But Allah has questioned, and there are questioned two types of question mark. You know that thing very, very well. That means negative interrogative and affirmative interrogative. Allah has used a negative mark, a negative interrogative mark. Awalam yakfihim, is it not sufficient? Answer is obviously, absolutely. The Quran is one and only sufficient, very, very good enough for being a Muslim. Only to become a Muslim, you will have to follow the Quran. It is very good enough. It is sufficient. If you follow other source, other scripture, other narration, other man-made books, then you are not following Allah's word, you are not following Salam Muhammad, you will never be a Muslim. So be careful and cautiously you will have to read out the ayah, then you will understand in Surah Al-Ankabut, Surah number 29, verse number 51. Assalamu alaikum, Ibn Mubarak Tayyiba.